How to disable volume buttons on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Sounds and Haptics. Go to the Ringtone and Alert section at the top. Over here, turn off the Change with button switch below as shown. You can now try using the volume buttons on the sides of your phone. As you can see, you will no longer be able to adjust the volume using these buttons. The volume slider can be used to adjust the volume of the ringtones and alerts. Drag the slider to the right to increase the volume as shown. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily disable volume buttons on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.